Who are they? ¿Quiénes son ellos? Who are they? They are my colleagues. Ellos son mis colegas. They are my colleagues. Where were they? ¿Dónde estaban ellos? Where were they? They were in Chicago. Ellos estaban en Chicago. They were in Chicago. Where will they go next month? ¿A dónde irán el próximo mes? Where will they go next month? They will go to Colombia. Ellos irán a Colombia. They will go to Colombia. What do they do? ¿Qué es lo que ellos hacen? What do they do? They are auditors. Ellos son auditores. They are auditors. Did they make several audits last month? ¿Hicieron ellos varias auditorías el mes pasado? Did they make several audits last month? Yes, they were very busy. Sí, ellos estuvieron muy ocupados. Yes, they were very busy. And when will they return? ¿Y cuándo van a regresar? And when will they return? They will come back next month. Ellos volverán el próximo mes. They will come back next month. Are they very tired? ¿Están ellos muy cansados? Are they very tired? Yes, they have a lot of work. Sí, tienen mucho trabajo. Yes, they have a lot of work. When did they have vacation? ¿Cuándo tuvieron vacaciones? When did they have vacation? They had them last year. Ellos las tuvieron el año pasado. They had them last year. When will they rest this year? ¿Cuándo descansarán este año? When will they rest this year? They will do it in 2 months. Ellos lo harán en 2 meses. They will do it in 2 months. They know that now is time to work hard and that their effort is worth it. Ellos saben que ahora es tiempo de trabajar duro y que su esfuerzo vale la pena. They know that now is time to work hard and that their effort is worth it. And they are happy because they will have a very good vacation with their families. Y están felices porque tendrán unas muy buenas vacaciones con sus familias. And they are happy because they will have a very good vacation with their families.